Good morning, good morning. Welcome to Feni for the Soul once again. We are in Cubbon Park, that lovely, large green lung of Bengaluru city. And on a Sunday morning, very uniquely, they have a bandstand here in the middle of the large park, and there are dance performances, Carnatic singing, vocal performances, and Bharatnatyam dance performances. I'll show you, give you a glimpse of one of these. And as you got a glimpse of that lovely dance performance by these two young dancers, and this is the happy place that Cubbon Park is. It is on every visit of ours to Bengaluru. I never miss to come to Cubbon Park, either to walk and shoot photos or to simply come and run with my Bengaluru buddies. It's too pretty. I'll give you a short walk around. That's a long shot of that bandstand. Wonderful, isn't it? And here is a long shot of the same bandstand from the other side, from behind. Just gives you an idea of the ambience of Cubbon Park on a Sunday morning. That's the High Court building, High Court of Karnataka in Bengaluru. That's my family with our doggy, Sweetie, all the way from Goa. Have a nice Sunday. Good morning. Let me introduce you to Cubbon Park. This is Cubbon Park, Bangalore. Bengaluru's green lungs, and it is almost 7:45 on a weekday, so there aren't too many people at at this hour, because people come even at as early as 6 o'clock. But still, here you can see a lot of walkers. This is one of the main routes, and I just want to give you a feel of this lovely park. I had shown in an earlier video clip Bharatnatyam performance on a Sunday. So on Sunday there is a grandstand and where you have a live performances, vocal and dance performances. So that's the bandstand at a distance with the pink orange canopy, and that's where you have performances on Sunday mornings, and that you have already seen in the earlier clip. But there's some construction work going on around the statue here, and there are a few children playing in the lawn. The beauty of Cubbon Park is that it's very, very large. It's very large, and you have different moods that you can capture every morning, especially. So here at a distance, let me zoom in. You have some senior citizens sitting and catching up on the day that had gone by yesterday, and here you have a few middle-aged men stretching to meet the day that is to come, so to say. And let me go and show you how beautiful. You just look at this tree right in the center, so big, you know. Look at the girth and look at all the branches. It's quite fascinating actually, and there are so many such trees in Cubbon Park. This is just one of them. I'll actually go and stand below the tree, and then you get an idea as to how wide and expansive it is. I'll just show you. There. Huge girl. And then you have, like I said, different moods. There's a gentleman running here, a senior citizen. And I'm walking along this path, and you'll notice that you have, you know, there's somebody exercising on the left, then there's somebody sitting with a dog on the bench. Quite interesting. So here you have an athletics group, you know, which is practicing sprint starts, you know, and rather training their ankle and calf muscles, ankle and shins really. So there's a coach who's shouting out orders, and a whole lot of young kids are probably a football team, if I suspect. Yeah, it's a football team. Speaking of trees, look at this one now. Look at that from a distance. Look at the girth. Look at the expanse. Bless these trees and bless this park for, you know, housing all these trees. Right in the center of downtown Bengaluru, you have Cubbon Park. You know, an absolute green lung for this mega city. This is the High Court building. Very impressive. Red stone, you know, beautiful red building. That's a beagle there. A beagle following its owner. The owner is at a distance, you can see him. And this well-behaved beagle is, well, having his own me time at Cubbon Park. Let me go back to this just to check out the girth again of this massive tree. Look at that. This is my wide angle. Oh, hang on. This is my wide angle, and look at that. We need to protect these giants, if we want a future on this planet. Luckily, Cubbon Park, look at this sun coming through the foliage. Yeah, luckily Cubbon Park is one such wonderful green lung. A great example of how megacities too can have green cover. And a fact worth mentioning is that after 8 o'clock the traffic inside Cubbon Park, meaning there are small streets and lanes inside Cubbon Park, main public thoroughfares, and they are allowed. Traffic is allowed after 8 o'clock. So till 8 in the morning there are runners on these roads. Walkers and runners use every part of Cubbon Park, but after 8 o'clock it's public traffic, so you need to be in the green zones. My family also walking here. My wife Shobi, our dog Sweetie, all the way from Goa, and our daughter Tanvi. Hi, Sweetie. Hi, Sweetie. Hi, Sweetie. Hi, Sweetie. Sweetie. Sweets. Get a silhouette as we walk. So back to my family, who's little ahead, and our doggy Sweetie has been let off the leash. So that's a little unusual because we normally don't we don't trust her to stay within our sights. There she is, quite enjoying the Cubbon Park experience. Really enjoying herself. So as we almost come to the end of our walk here in Cubbon Park, let me tell you, it is 120 hectares of green lung right in the center of Bengaluru, which we pray stays as it is for decades and a century to come. And helps people continue with their morning walks and evening walks, and keeps the whole generation fit and fine. Bless this place. You can see that football team at the distance now, walking back after their workouts. Okay, as the sun is bathing this place, have a nice day.